Next up, 4, 9. You can just grab any number you want me. 4, 9, or 10. 1. This one's for Dennis. 1, 11, 6, 10. Bottom one. Try totally certified. And then got another 5-star in. There you go. They massively tape these up. Going? Yeah, I better cut it.
Yeah, good luck for baseball.
One on top, 4 on bottom. 6, 5, 4. Okay. 6, 5, 4. 1, 2, 3. I haven't, Cisco. Colt Kent came in not too long ago. Falcons fan, I haven't seen him in a while. Miller Time, I haven't seen in like a year. I don't know where Miller Time got off to. I know he used to come in during the day, and then he started working a lot during the day, so he didn't come in, but I haven't seen him in forever. I don't know where he got off to. Phenoms. Asa Watson? No, Aaron Dotson. Jersey Christian Michael. Yeah, they used to hang out all the time back in the day. Phenom Landry Jones. Dual jersey Jared Allen and Chad Greenway. That one's $1.99. Yeah, but I haven't seen them in a while. Phenom, that one is Niall Davis. Is that Bo? 34 Raider? Nope, Latavius Murray. Latavius Murray. That one's numbered to $4.99. Let's see, Matt Schaub. Giovanni Bernard rookie jersey autograph. I hear you, Eli. Giovanni Bernard, rookie jersey autograph. Oh, that one's numbered to $2.99. Oh, back-to-back rookies. Manti Te'o, rookie jersey autograph. That one is $2.99. Keenan Allen, Demarius Thomas jersey, $149. Okay. Now we'll finish up with 5-star. 2014 5-star. Yep. The last case was loaded. One of the better cases I've seen in a while, that last one. See what this one looks like. Is it the right way? Yep. I think that's a one-of-one. Rainbow? Dree Archer? Is it Rainbow one-of-ones? What's up, NN Catering? I think Rainbow's a one-of-one, but I'm not sure. That could be a Dree Archer 5-star one-of-one. Could be. Isaiah Crowell. I remember one set, Rainbow was 101. I just don't know if it's 5-star. Isaiah Crowell. James White. James White. Jace Amaro. There you go. Doug Martin. Dougie Fresh. Doug Martin. And the last one, Kelvin Benjamin. 58 of 60. Silver draft. Kelvin. Rookie card autograph. And that'll do it, Dennis. What is that? Looks like some kind of stain on it. Alright, that's it, buddy. We'll get on the way. See ya.